Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Today we discussing about some problems related to integration by substitutions. Let us come and start. F dash x by fx root over dx. This is one type, remember. This is one type. F dash x divided by root over of fx dx. উপরে ডেরিভেটিভ থিব তলে ফংশনর রুট ওভার থিব তাহলে তার ইন্টিগ্রেশন হব 2 root over of fx plus c. You have to remember this is the formula. উপরে ডেরিভেটিভ থিব তলে ফংশনর রুট ওভার থিব তাহলে তার ইন্টিগ্রেশন ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 2 root over of fx plus c, where c is the integration constant. How you have to prove it? Write down proof. Let f of x is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So we get dt dx is equal to d dx of fx, that is f dash x. So here dx is divided, then it is multiplied. So dt is equal to f dash x into dx. Okay, now this integral becomes, in place of f dash x dx we have to write dt. So we get dt upon root over of t, that can be written as t to the power minus half dt. So we know that integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so using that formula we get t to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. So after simplification we get, that is 2 root over of t plus c. So in place of t you have to put fx. So we get 2 root over of fx plus c. Okay, so this is the proof. So you have to remember integration of f dash x dx divided by root over of fx always equal to 2 root over of fx plus c. উপরে ডেরিভেটিভ থিব তলে ফাংশনের রুট ওভার থিব তাহলে তার ইন্টিগ্রেশন ভ্যালু হবে 2 root over of fx. One example, sec square x divided by root over of tan x dx. Then you have to put tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. কাহাকু ধরিলে তার ডেরিভেটিভ উপরে দিব. You have to choose that function where derivative is on numerator. So here we get tan x is equal to t. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get dt is equal to sec square x dx. So now it is replaced. Now it is replaced. In place of sec square x, we write dt. So we get integration of dt root over of t. So that can be written as t to the power minus half dt. So on integration we get t to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. Okay, so we get, that is 2 root over of t plus c. So in place of t we have to put 2 root over of tan x plus c. Okay, so this is the integration value. Opore derivative thibo tale function root over, the result is always 2 root over of fx. Directly you have to also write. Next, another example. Another example you have to write down. Another example. So here 2x plus 3 divided by root over of s square plus 3x plus 5 whole into dx. How to integrate it? First of all, you have to take this quantity as t. So here we take s square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to t. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get dt by dx is equal to d dx of x square plus 3x plus 5. Then apply the derivative of sum is equal to sum of the derivative. We get the derivative of x square, that is 2x. So here 3 is a constant that will be coming outside of the derivative. Derivative of x is equal to 1. So here it is 3. Derivative of 5 is 0 because 5 is the constant. So we get dt is equal to 2x plus 3 whole into dx. Okay, so now it is replaced. It is replaced by dt. So we get integration of dt root over of t. So that can be written as t to the power minus half dt. T to the power minus half integration of dt. So this can be written as t to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. So we get 2 root over of t plus c, that is 2 root over of x square plus 3x plus 5 plus c. So you see here ऊपर ए डेरिवेटिव थिला तळे फंक्शन रो रूट ओवर थिला तो तार इंटीग्रेशन हला 2 रूट ओवर ऑफ fx. Directly also you have to retain. If the question will be 1 mark, then it will be directly written 2 root over of fx. If the question is 2 marks, then you have to do according to this. Now we have to get another type. Type number 2. Type integration of f dash x root over of fx dx. So you have to put fx is equal to t. Fx is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So dt by dx is equal to f dash x. So dt is equal to f dash x into dx. So now it is replaced. In place of f dash x dx, we get what? Not dt. In place of root over of fx, we take, that is root over of t into dt. So the integration value will becomes t to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. So after simplification we get, that is 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So in place of t we have to put fx. So we get 2 by 3 fx to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so you have to remember this is one formula. Write down the formula. Write down the formula. Integration of f dash x root over of fx dx. The result will be 2 by 3 fx to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Remember, this is one formula. Here derivative, here it is root over of fx. Then the integration value equal to 2 by 3 fx to the power 3 by 2. Let us take one example. Sec square x root over of tan x dx. Question is just like this. So you have to put tan x is equal to t. କାହାକୁ ଧରିଲେ ତା ଡେରିଭେଟିଭ ତା ପାଖେ ପାଖେ ଥିବ ତମକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ରହିବ your objective is to which quantity you have to hold fx whose derivative is here. So here we get tan x is equal to f of x. What is f dash x? F dash x means derivative. F dash x is equal to sec square x. Sec square x. Okay, dx. So we write sec square x dx, f dash x dx, sorry, f dash x dx is equal to sec square x dx. So in place of, here it is f dash x, here it is fx. So result will be 2 by 3 fx. Fx means tan x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Now let us take another example. 2x plus 3. Here it is s square plus 3x plus 7 dx. Okay, so you have to put this quantity as a t. Write down s square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So dt by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. So dt is equal to 2x plus 3 whole into dx. So now it will be gone. In place of 2x plus 3 dx we have to write dt. So in place of x square plus 3x plus 7 root over we have to write root over of t. Here it is dt. So this integration value will becomes e to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. So we get that is 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So in place of t we have to write s square plus 3x plus 7. So we get 2 by 3 s square plus 3x plus 7 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so today we have to discussing only two types, and these are the problems related to this formula number 1 and formula number 2. Okay, thank you to all for watching my TV videos. So if you like my video, please subscribe it and share it and like it. Thank you to all.